start the noisy one up. See the slaves in here?
Whoa.
Going in and out? Want me to stop it for you? No, it's okay.
It's alright.
Isn't that? That's all made out of junk, eh?
That is really
But during the war, they had aircraft engines like that. They're Bristol, made in England. And
yeah, I remember those.
They were good engine, but they took a lot of oil.
Yeah.
They're a little noisy, but God, they're a good engine. I worked on them. Yeah. I thought you'd like to see it.
That is really cool.
And it's quiet. You can run it in the house when there's kids around. I put this on so you can see the working, but it gets oil and you can't look through it. It's dirty. These are all handmade.
It's very nice.
The good ones are at home.
Yeah.
My first time out this year.